Hi viewers, today we are going to make Millagu Thattai or pepper puri. I have taken 1 cup of gram flour and rice flour in a ratio of 3:1 and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per need, 1 teaspoon of Ajwain or Omam. Let's see how to make this. Take a bowl and add mixed flour and add all ingredients slowly and make a dough by adding a little amount of water. Knead it nicely to make a thick dough. After kneading, apply oil gently over it and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take a dough and knead again. Make small balls out of it